Nothing screams more Christmas than a reindeer-shaped lip balm. This is one of the most wanted holiday makeup, and I'm very lucky that I was able to buy it because it was sold out on so many websites. This packaging makes me smile. It is super adorable. I'm very curious about the scent, and let's smell it. Oh my god, it smells so nice. It is like vanilla cookies, and this one is so well made. It's not flimsy at all. Even the opening. Oops. Testing time. I'm very curious to see how it looks on my lips. Let's take some with my nail. I don't know where is my spatula. Ooh, it's very glossy.
Not bad, not bad.
It also has a sweet taste. It's so shiny. It's not very heavy on the lips, and I'm gonna give it 5 stars. I really like it. The next product, surprisingly, is getting so many good reviews, and it is sold out again and again. They have already restocked it on the team website. I'm very curious to see how it looks. I haven't opened yet the packaging. How do we open this? I think I need some scissors. I hope I'm not destroying any of the makeup products because I bought more from the team website. Oh, maybe it is this box. No, it's not. So wait for a while. Where are the brushes? Ooh, found them. Ta-da! And the product is actually a brush set. I'm really curious to see how the brushes look because they were looking adorable online. Oh my god, they're so cute! Let's take out also this bag. Brush bag. What is this? It's not very well made, especially the stamp because they had it folded in the plastic bag. Let's see the brushes now. All of them are in these plastic bags. That's nice to protect them. I'm very curious if we can actually use them. Ooh. Let's remove also these. They are pretty heavy for brushes though.
Okay.
So this one looks like a face brush that you can use for bronzer and maybe blush. The bristles are synthetic. Okay, it doesn't smell. And this one is a candy cane with a little Santa hat. Very pretty. And the next brush is for the brows or your mascara. And it has a beautiful snowman without a smile. Why?
It is a little bit creepy.
Next we have a little Santa moon, like Sailor Moon. Oh yeah, it looks like a Sailor Moon. And it is an angle brush. Then we have a synthetic, very weird brush, maybe for eyeshadows, with a reindeer. The eyes are also a little creepy. Oh, the next one has such a beautiful design. It is a Christmas tree. Really adorable. And we also have another face brush with a candy. And the cost of the brushes and also this terrible bag is $5.84. Not bad at all. Let's see if they are actually practical to use. I'm gonna start off with a candy cane brush. And I want to use this to apply some bronzer. This is one of my favorite bronzers. And it looks very splotchy. Also, it is kind of hard to hold it because the handle is so thin. This one doesn't pass the test. And let's continue with this one, the candy brush. And I'm going to use this one for blush. Let's take some again. Smile. I don't see a lot of the product on my face. The blush looks a little bit splotchy. Okay, now I have removed the blush from the nose. Why? Even though the bristles are looking functional, they are not really. Moving on to the snowman brush, and I'm going to use this brush side here. I have some brow pencil on my brows. I'm curious to see if it can blend it out. I don't think so. Okay, it actually doesn't look bad. And I thought this was gonna be the least usable brush. And this one is a lot easier to hold because it is the same width all over it, so it's not confusing for your hand. I'm so excited for the holiday season and I couldn't resist not buying these sponges here. They look pretty terrible. What happened to my sponges? So I really wanted to get makeup sponges in the shape of something Christmassy. If I ever find how to open this. The bag was looking better in the pictures. So these little sponges are $2.12. Oh no, what happened to my sponge? They came so smooshed. So this is supposed to be a snowman. Why? And this is a little Christmas tree, and surprisingly I have one more Christmas tree. This is so pressed. This would be a nice gift to someone, but it looks super terrible. By the way, this is my first time buying products by Temu. I'm hoping I can fix them with some water. This is the before. And this is the after. They are actually expanding a lot, and I was able to save the shape, and you can finally see that this is a snowman. I can't wait to try this. I'm gonna start with the snowman because I really want to use this side for the concealer. I'm applying some foundation. Whoa. I'm gonna use, of course, the round side. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Wish me luck. Oh boy, it's weird. It absorbed a lot of product. It is super soft on the face. Okay, it can definitely work, but it feels a little bit fragile, like I can tear it off very easily. Now it's time for the tree. I don't really know how to use this on my face like this. More product! The snowman is definitely more practical to use for foundation. I can't really use the whole sponge. I'm very curious to use it with concealer. Let's apply some. I'm gonna use what am I doing here? It's not the best for eyes. I think the Christmas tree is gonna be better. And I'm using the tip of the tree. The sponge is very soft. They are definitely very fun to use. I'm gonna give them 3 stars. I bought something for the eyes as well, and this is an eyeshadow palette if I ever take it out. So this one is the Kevin and Coco Merry Christmas 18 color eyeshadow palette, and they had a few Christmas eyeshadow palettes, but they were sold out so fast. What is happening? Will I ever open it? No one knows. Okay, finally. We're in. It doesn't smell. To be honest, I was very scared that all of the products would smell very plasticky. That's a good sign. And let's see the eyeshadows. Ooh, the packaging is very good. Uh-oh. Where is this? One of the eyeshadows broke. Who sends an eyeshadow palette in this bag? And we have also stamps on the eyeshadows. I mean, even more expensive products don't have stamps. And this palette retails for $7.19. I also like a lot the glitter details on the packaging. I really want to swatch this purpley one. Ooh, it is super glittery and a little bit disgusting. Yeah, it is like a paste that I cannot really move. How am I supposed to use this on my eyes? I really want to see this one next. Okay, that looks pretty awesome. This lavender, not bad. Let's take this coppery. Ooh, that's good. Very nice pigmentation. I need to be careful with the palette now because I don't want eyeshadows on my face and my clothes. I'm going to use this light peachy one. It is a very light one and it blends very nicely. Cool. I want to use something deeper in the crease, so I'm gonna take this one. It is like a nude maroon shade. Oops. Oopsie-doo. But you know something? It is blendable. And you saw how I applied it. It is so smooth on the eyes. Okay, so after that I'm taking the reindeer brush. What should I use on the eyelid? I'm going to take this bronzy one. It can transfer some of the eyeshadow, but I think it's gonna look better with my fingertip. Ooh, it looks nice. It takes a while to blend the edges with this brush. It doesn't make the cut. Then I'm taking this lilac with my fingertip. This is super cute. And then I'm gonna take the Santa Moon brush and this chocolatey brown shade. With this one, I want to go very close to the lashes. The bristles are not very well cut or maybe placed in the brush. I'm surprised that the application is nice. I'm taking some more for the lower eye. I really like this brush. It gets the job done. So far, this is my favorite brush. Oh no, we have some issues with the eyeshadow. I don't really know what to do. I'm gonna try to press it down, take it back to its home.
Oh boy.
After that, I'm taking this lilac and I want to use this in the lower eye. It has a creamier formula and it doesn't transfer, so I'm using my little finger. It's so shiny. I'm very impressed by the matte eyeshadows. They are so soft on the eyes. The shimmery shades are better applied with your fingertip, but I think this is a very nice palette. I'm gonna give it 4 stars. And for the lips, I got this one. It looks like an ornament. Let's unbox this one. The box is actually very pretty and it is nice if you want to give it to someone. Let's see the actual lipstick. Ooh, it's so pretty. I wasn't expecting something so pretty. This one smells bad. Again, it's not as bad as I was expecting, and you can also wear this as a necklace. And we have a magnetic packaging. I like it. The twisting of the tube is so smooth. The chain is a little bit flimsy and lightweight. And I bought this for $4.48. In the pictures it looks creamy, magical. I'm hoping that it's gonna look like this on me as well. Lipstick time, and I'm also gonna use this brush here. First of all, I'm gonna remove the lip balm, which by the way made my lips super smooth. Let's take the lipstick. Oh, it has a scent. It is chemical. Oh, it's so creamy. I think the lipstick smells on my lips. Not a nice experience. Now I'm taking some of the product with the lip brush. I like the bristles of the brush, but I don't like the handle because it is very short and you end up holding it right on top of the tree. So the lipstick has a nice color payoff and it is super creamy, but I don't like that the packaging smells so much, and I'm gonna give it 3.5 stars. About the brushes, almost all of them are very hard to use. I mean, the only one that I didn't have much trouble with is the Santa Moon. The bag was also pretty cheapish. I'm gonna give this brush set 1 star. And everyone likes it. Who is the problem? I was very excited to find these products here. They are actually face stickers. I was very curious to see how they look on me because all of the pictures were looking like photoshopped. So I'm very curious to try these and see if they are smooth on the face. For these I have paid $3.59. I'm not sure how many of them I have here. Wow! So we have 12 designs. That's nice. So adorable. Oh, cute. This one looks like freckles. I don't know which one I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use this one here because I think it's gonna look super cute with my makeup look. I don't remember how we're using this. Wish me luck. I need to cut this. Oh boy. I'm so scared. Water. Okay, I'm gonna start with the nose. It's such a difficult face sticker. I don't have high hopes. Revealing time. Oh, my nose is bad. From very far away, it doesn't look bad. So all the designs that you can cut the pieces are gonna be easier to use. Sarasi.
No.
I like the Lego cute.
It's It's something.
I'm gonna give it 2 stars because it's not easy to apply near the nose, but we also have designs that are gonna be easier to apply. And my favorite product is definitely the lip balm. Let me know in the comments what is your favorite product of today's video. And you can also watch this video here. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!